See you guys at work. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, we got something in the mail, and yeah, let's see what it is. Do-rags. Hey, listen, my next appointment, Taylor, I don't know if you guys can see that. My next appointment is Taylor, right? That's my cousin-in-law. Okay, that's my cousin's husband. You know what I mean? That's my cousin's husband. So let's see if he show up on time. It's 9:53 right now. 9:53. If he don't walk through that door at 10? 10:03, I'm not cutting his hair. 10:03, I'm not cutting his hair. Let's wait. What's up, Fonz? Season 2 of Jeezy and Fonz Wolf. Season 2. We're doing season 2? That's what we're doing? All right, you guys, listen. It's 10. It's 10, and he is nowhere to be found. He is nowhere to be found, just like Taylor. This is just like Taylor. Let me tell you, I had to get off the conversation on the phone to let you guys know that when it comes to Taylor, well, hold on. Let me take this off. I seen him smashing. I'ma hide behind this wall, and I'ma just pull up on him. You know what I mean? I gotta pull up.
I'm late.
well, you guys, like I said, let me see what time it is. Let me see here. Yeah, 10:02. I said 10:03, I'm not cutting his hair. But
so I made it.
You made it.
Hey, what had happened was
you
that
was
light because of the fire truck.
You was smashing here. At least
light because the fire truck.
Yeah, you was putting in effort.
The truck and the fire.
It always be family. You know what I mean? Always family. All right, YouTube, listen, all my barbers out there, have you had that client that was day one, straight up day one, all right? Then he just went ghost. The client just went ghost. You just think that, man, was it something I done did? Was it the skill level? Mike, I'm ready for you. Listen, Mike is back. He's back like he ain't never went nowhere.
Man, dog, I've been feeling like a hobo.
All right, you guys, got an unboxing, but I'm not gonna open this just because I know what this is. This is a car window shield shade type of deal that I'm putting on my my charger. But we do got 2 packages in the mail. This one seems like a fan mail type deal because it says 360 Jeezy. If you know me, you probably wouldn't have called me 360 Jeezy. You know what I mean? You probably would call me Jared. We got paper in here. So, paper? Okay, we got something in here. Let me just throw this away real quick. What is this? Is this glass? Okay, Bahamas. Wonder who sent this. Is this a letter or something on here? It says, thanks for the autograph. Okay, so it might be this lady that came down here and she basically got a haircut from the Bahamas. I think she gave me like a, yep. She gave me $1. Yeah, Bahama money. She gave me $1. Still got it. I still got it. All right. Thank you for the shot glass. All right, so we got another one. I don't know what this is, but it feels like some clothes, a t-shirt or something. Okay. T-shirt. But of course. I got off work today and yeah, I'm super excited. About to go see Spider-Man. About to go take my kids to see Spider-Man. They finna be so juiced. Alright, it's just finna be me and my 2 kids. Alright, my wife, she's not really feeling too well right now, so she kind of wanted to go on the 4th of July. Then I was like, I do not want to be that guy, the only one at the shop that ain't seen it, because everybody's seeing it. You know how it is when, you know what I mean? I don't want no spoilers or none of that. When you go into the shop, everybody already talking about it, everybody telling you what happened and what's at the end, and oh my god, this part was dope. And it's like, I just don't want to be subject to missing out on the conversation. Alright, I'm trying to get in on the conversation. Alright, so me and my kids, we're going to see Spider-Man today.
Tatiana, can you fit this in a pocket?
Well, look who decides to show up. Huh?
Hey, be quiet. I cannot believe you.
She is showing up.
Tell me that.
She's here. She's here now, you know? She's actually going. Right?
Yeah, I'm here in my car. I'm ready.
You ready? 2 hours? Y'all ready to go or what?
Yeah,
Jared, get your shoes on.
We're ready to
Tatiana,
go.
you ready to go?
Yeah.
You excited or what?
I'm excited to see Spider-Man Far From Home.
What about you, Jared?
He's gonna be amazing. Because he likes Spider-Man. No, I don't. No.
All right, let's go. Go ahead, Jared. Go ahead. My turn. Go ahead. My turn. Tatiana, let's go. All
I
right.
don't think I can see myself.
Jared, you're right here. What are you talking about?
Oh,
Look,
I
you
see.
can see myself. All right, you guys. Spider-Man. What do you guys think? Yes or no?
Well, there was a lot of...
Tatiana, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that's all we need to know. We don't want no spoilers here. Okay?
Oh.
We don't want no spoilers.
What? Okay, today...
No today, Tatiana. Is Spider-Man a good movie? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's all that needs to be said.
So...
That's all that needs to be said.
Come on. That wasn't really a video.
That's all that needs to be said.
Oh, come on.
right, you guys, listen. I got something in the mail. Before I show you this, though, I had a problem with this ASOS company before. All right. Check it out, you guys. I'm a little upset right now. All right. I bought something online, and well, I got something in the mail. All right. A couple of shirts, and I bought them off of ASOS. Now, let me show you guys what it was that I purchased. All right, you guys, I purchased this shirt. Man, I thought I was doing something different. I was like, ooh, man, right here, he looked like he a little buff in that shirt. Ooh, look at him. He looks swaggy. Ooh, I'm gonna be killing him. Honestly, I thought I was gonna be killing them with this. I thought I was gonna be killing the game with this. Let me show you something real quick. Let me show you something. What the heck is this, man? What the heck is this? What is this, man? I'm out here looking like Jesus. Come on, man. What the heck? ASOS. What is this? I don't look buff at all in this shirt, man. It's false advertisement. What is this? You see the length on this arm? Look, what the heck is that? It's like I'm a midget or something. What the heck is this? This is a medium. This is a medium. Y'all probably like, Jeezy, no, man. You playing, man. You playing. Nah, man, I ain't playing. I ain't playing at all. This is a medium. This is a medium. I am not playing no games. What is this? Bruh, I feel like a pastor in this shirt. Man, come on now. What the heck is this? Wow, I really feel like a pastor in this shirt. Like I'm some type of priest or something. What is going on? Why they do? So you can see why I'm kind of skeptical on even trying this on. But let's just try it on just because. Let's just try it on just because. Listen, I'm going on vacation. I'm going to Hawaii, so I need some Hawaiian type shirts, all right? The vibes need to be Hawaiian, all right? So I got this right here. Let's just try it on. Let's just try it on. So this one at least fits better than what you guys saw last time, all right? The vibes are there. The vibes are there.